Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to create sections in PowerPoint 2016, a useful technique for splitting your presentation into more manageable segments. First, make sure you open PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program has launched, you are ready to begin organizing your slides into sections. After launching PowerPoint, locate and open the presentation you want to work on. It is important to have the presentation already available because this guide focuses on reorganizing the existing content. If you have saved your work in another location or under a different file name, navigate to that file and open it in PowerPoint. This ensures that you are working on the correct presentation and that any changes you make will be applied to the intended slide deck. Now that your presentation is open and visible on your screen, you need to position yourself where you have a clear view of the slide thumbnails on the left-hand side. This layout is essential because the next steps involve interacting directly with the space between these slide thumbnails. With your presentation ready, move your cursor and carefully right-click between any two slides. This action is critical because it signals to PowerPoint that you intend to create a new section at that specific point in your presentation. After the right click, a context menu will appear with several options, one of which is to add a section. Look for and then select the item labeled Add Section. Choosing this option tells PowerPoint to create a distinct grouping of slides starting from that point forward. This technique is especially effective when you want to clearly demarcate different topics or stages within your presentation, making the content more organized and easier to navigate during both creation and presentation. Once you have selected the Add Section option, PowerPoint will prompt you to provide a name for the new section. At this point, type in the section name that best describes what this group of slides represents. Think about using a clear and descriptive title that reflects the content or purpose of the slides that will belong to this section. A well-chosen section name can help both you and any collaborators quickly identify and locate specific parts of the presentation later on. Following the naming process, you need to confirm your choice for the section label. To do this, click on the Rename option. Clicking Rename finalizes the process, ensuring that the section is recognized by its new name and is correctly organized within your presentation structure. This step completes the procedure of splitting your slides into sections, making your presentation more dynamic, navigable, and easier to manage when making further edits or preparing for delivery. Each of these steps plays an important role in improving the overall organization of your presentation. By taking the time to separate your slides into clearly marked sections, you improve both your workflow as a presenter and the audience's ability to follow the progression of ideas. Whether you are preparing for a business meeting, a classroom lecture, or another type of presentation, utilizing sections can streamline your process and enhance your creativity in design and content delivery. Enjoy the newfound clarity and efficiency as you work on your PowerPoint presentation.